Hey guys, how's it going? So, really quick, I am still retwisting my hair. This section up here is what I have left. I pretty much did the back, and I kind of just work my way around and then, start the sides and what have you. But this is the right side, and this is what it looks like in the front. I just did the lock that's in my temple area. So yeah, it just looks like a whole bunch of baby hair, but that's what that looks like. Now I'm going to work on the left side. So yeah, I'll come back and show you guys my progress. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to check in really quick. I am still retwisting. I've been taking lots and lots and lots of breaks, but needless to say, this is what I have left. So I mean, I'm making progress. I wanted to show you guys something. So this lock right here, I think I showed it in before, but I don't really know. But anyhow, this lock right here has a tail. That's what I'm calling it, a tail. Can you see that? Yeah, it literally has a tail. I don't know how this hair came to like start sticking out of it, but this is where I said that I had hair break off. So I think that's just like the remainder of that hair. I don't even know. So what I'm thinking to do, because I'm just not really sure how to retwist it, I think what I'm going to do is try to kind of comb it out a little bit and then wrap it around the lock. So we shall see if that works, but yeah. All right, guys, I am all done. Finally, I am going to sleep. I will come back in a few hours and show you all what this head of mine is looking like. Hey everyone, what's goody? It is your girl Justine, and I'm coming back. So you guys saw me in the beginning of this video, embarking on the journey of retwisting my hair, and I am finally done. It took me 2 days, and this was just because I just was really going really slow and obviously stopping a lot, and needless to say, I completed the task, and yeah, my hair looks pretty good. I have it in a ponytail, so I think my ponytail looks pretty good. A low ponytail, nothing too fancy. And I'm gonna actually take it out of the ponytail right now so you all can see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. So here's a view of the back. So yeah, I retwisted, and it was actually a good thing because every once in a while I do like to retwist my hair just to see like how it's doing lengthwise, and obviously retwisting it allows me just to kind of get in there and look for any hair that is trying to marry, and things like that. And I mean, and going through my hair is what helped me to realize that I had some of the shedding that was going on. So this is what the front looks like. So as you can see, it's very like sparse in the temple areas. It seems like that's where I had most of my hair shed or hair loss, is in my temple areas. So those are gonna be the areas that I'll be working on to just help the hair grow back, and then obviously as it grows back, being able to reincorporate that hair into my locks. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. So that's the right side, and then my left side, it looks like that. So I mean, I don't know, somebody might look at me and they might not be able to tell, but I know for me, like, it's my hair. I know what it used to look like, so hence why I'm able to tell that it somewhat looks like there was some hair loss there. So yeah. And then I was kind of going through some pictures, and I noticed that like it just looks so different. Like it didn't look like that before. So I'll try to attach a couple of pictures to you. all can see. But yeah, I'm just gonna be making sure to moisturize my hair. That's a big thing for me. I don't moisturize as often as I should. So just moisturizing, and at the same time just keeping this area not too tight when I do like a bun or a ponytail, and just making sure that I'm not applying any tension to it, stimulating it, and hopefully the hair will go back. So we'll see. But yeah, that is my, I guess, my hair update since that last video. So peace.